See how these canna leaves are all rolled together? This is a sign of canna leaf roller. So we're going to cut these off, not only, to get rid of the ugliness of the canna leaf, but we're also going to try to see if we can find the leaf roller in here. The leaf roller is a worm. That's why you can see the worm's excrement. Oh, there he is. He's right here. They spin a web that rolls the leaf together, keeps it together, and then they stay inside protected from birds of prey by eating on the inside, and then they emerge as some type of butterfly. And to get rid of them, you can just spray BT on them and they'll ingest that, and the problem is getting to them from that because they're rolled up in the leaf. You might want to point the leaf down and kind of unroll it and then spray them.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.